Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your TOZO Crystal Pods. So the first one, these earbuds have gesture, and right here there is a touch RES. So you don't need to use your phone when you listen to music, you can just click on this gesture. Let's open the application, and also I show to you that you can customize this gesture. So you can just choose the best one for you. You can call a Siri, or if you have Android, Google Assistant with on the gesture, play next or previous track. You have volume control right here, and you could edit also. You can edit at the application. Also, if we're here, we have low latency, so this is the game mode. If you play games, I recommend it to enable it and enjoy the games. And also, these earbuds have a lot of mods, so you can enable ANC, noise cancellation, or if you speak with someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you just enable transparency mode, and you will hear clearly. Also, there is we can reduce wind noise, we can enable it, or you have leisure mode, also you can use it. If you don't like any of these mods, you can just choose normal one or make the best one for you in a custom one. Also, these earbuds have bass boost, so you can there's a lot of equalizer presets here. You can choose the best one for you, just click on it, and there's bass boost, so it's for me the best one. You can also customize it and create a new equalizer preset, so I guess it's a cool one. If you have some trouble with your phone, you can perform a hard reset. So firstly you should just press and hold on both of these touch areas for at least 5 seconds to turn off your earbuds, and then press and hold it for 10 seconds to perform a hard reset. It's really easily. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!